This video we are going to make the start menu transparent, taskbar transparent, and notification bar transparent, file explorer transparent. Everything done in few clicks. Check my video description for this WinHawk download link. Download the WinHawk. Once download done, go to File Explorer and install it like a normal application. Once installation done, search WinHawk and click on the Open the app. Go to Explore. Install all three taskbar styler, start menu styler, and notification center styler. Go to details and select install. Same thing for others. Once you install all three, go to home and notification center styler. Go to details, settings, in theme drop down. Click on this transparent shell and select save settings. And now you have the notification bar transparent and select the details in start menu. Go to settings, theme, select transparent start menu and select save settings. You have the transparent start menu and go back and select details in taskbar styler and go to settings, select transparent taskbar and select save settings. And that's it. Be done with this. And the final thing, we need to make the file explorer transparent. Check my video description for this site link. Under releases, select the latest option and scroll down. Under assets, select release x64.zip. Once download done, select the folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extractor folder and double click on this register option and select run and select yes. Okay, wait for 5 seconds. Once this done, just close stuff here, go back to File Explorer, and you have the amazing File Explorer. And that's it. We have everything done. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.